Good morning, everyone. Today I'm filming a morning in my life vlog. I am trying to get back on track. I'm trying to wake up earlier. I got up today at 6. My goal is 5:45. We'll get there. We're just gonna do a morning in my life, getting back on track. I also wanted to thank Premium Jane CBD for sponsoring today's video. I love CBD, you guys know this, and they're one of my favorite brands for it. I will talk more about the products that I use from them, and let me catch you up on what I've done this morning so far. First thing, woke up 6 o'clock, and then I rolled over and grabbed my 5-minute journal. This is what I use in the morning. It takes 5 minutes to just journal for gratitude, what you're thankful for, what would make today great, and your daily affirmation. Super quick, super easy, but it makes you feel like you kind of have your shit together when you do it. So I highly recommend that. I will link it below. I got it from Amazon and it is great. Once I did my 5-minute journal, I reached for my Premium Jane CBD salve. So this is a soothing cocoa butter and eucalyptus salve, and it's lab tested so that it's free from pesticides, solvents, chemical fertilizers, and other contaminants. So it's very natural. It's just a blend of oils and CBD to help with pain management. So this is just something that I'll put on my hands, rub together, and then apply it to wherever I'm sore. And usually that's from a workout. To be honest, I just had a sore neck. Once I got out of bed, then I went to go brush my teeth, stuff like that. And then I put on an audiobook while I went for my walk with Atticus, because I take Atticus on a mile walk every morning. So that's what we did. And now we're here. I did my makeup, which usually is probably the last part of my morning routine, but I only did it before because I'm still insecure about filming without makeup. It's really difficult, so you're caught up now. Now it's time to do my morning beverages, which is my favorite part. Let's do it. The first beverage that I like to have is hot water with lemon. So we have my vitamins ready. I also like to mix CBD into my hot water with lemon. Sometimes I'll make a tea and then put this in it, but since I do hot water with lemon without fail every morning, we're gonna mix the CBD. It's 600 milligrams of CBD. It's citrus flavor, but it's really subtle, so matches the lemons. That's why I put it in my lemon water. I think it just works well. And in tea, it's really great. It also has measurements on the dropper, and the recommended serving size is 0.7 milliliters. And just drop it into my lemon water. I'm gonna wait for my lemon water to cool, but I'm gonna make my matcha in the meantime because I vacillate between matcha and coffee in the morning, feeling an iced matcha morning. So let's go ahead and make my matcha. This is the matcha that I use. Matcha, I really have not tried that many of them, so I don't know the difference between brands, but this one is the one that I like and it's the one that I use. I'm just gonna put 2 spoonfuls of that. I'm gonna put a little bit of water with this, and then I'm gonna whisk it with my milk frother. I don't know what it's called. Is it a frother? Is it a whisk? It does this. Matcha is generally bitter, so I like to sweeten it up with organic stevia droppers. The liquid droppers are great because you obviously can't dissolve regular sugar in an iced beverage, but these little liquid droppers are perfect. And that's just how I do my iced matcha. It's so simple, but a lot of you guys ask me how I do it. That's how I do it, and that's what I use. Okay, so I have my iced matcha, my hot lemon water, and I'm gonna take my vitamins. So here I just have my Ritual multivitamin. This just has essential 9 nutrients that women are generally lacking, so take that. It's mainly how I get my iron in, and I take this every day. And then also I take my probiotic daily. This is just good for gut health. And then I take my little CBD gummies. They're so cute. These are the ones that are the Enjoy and Unwind. They're 25 milligrams of vegan CBD, and the serving size is 2. And I just pop 2 of these every morning. It's great to get CBD into a little vitamin routine, but I always think of calmness when I think of CBD, so I actually take these when I'm nervous. So before I went to do my blood work yesterday, I took 2 of these, and with the other things that I do to stop anxiety from, getting my blood drawn, it really helps. So I just like to take 2 of them in the morning, start my day out calm, and yeah, I'm gonna take my vitamins, I'm gonna drink my drinks, and that's the current situation. While I finish my drinks and before I have breakfast, I'm gonna plan out my day. I have 1 vlog I have to film this morning in my life that I'm filming, and then I have 3 Instagram things that I have to shoot for stories and posts, and I also have my mirror delivery today. I have to sell Depop items. This is the notepad that I'm using. It's the Daily from Katie Bellotti. She made these. I think she's still selling them. I'm not sure. They were limited edition, but if she still has them, check out her Instagram, Katie Bellotti. She has links to her page and everything, so that's where you can find this. But she also has a weekly one. I do have a planner, but sometimes when I'm super overwhelmed, I like to just have it on a notepad because it's fast, it's easy. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so I have my grain-free chocolate cereal with bananas and oat milk, and I'm gonna read a little bit of nonfiction this morning. I like to read nonfiction in the morning and then fiction at night. So this is the book that I'm starting, the 5 a.m. Club, because you guys know I'm trying to get back on track and wake up earlier. 5:45 is my goal. Eventually 5 a.m. is the main goal, but let's take it easy with 5:45. So I'm gonna read this for a little bit and then get started with my day. So I had my breakfast, made my to-do list. I ran through pretty much everything that I need to do before I get the day started. So now I'm gonna work on all of that content that I have to shoot, and then my mirror is coming later. So I'm just gonna get the day started. Before I leave the video, I wanted to give you guys a 30% off coupon code for Premium Jane CBD. If you wanna pick up anything that I mentioned in the video, you wanna pick up anything from them, I will leave the link and the code in the description box below, but you can use the code Siena for 30% off. And thank you again to Premium Jane CBD for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.